yan? Sige yan.
Wow! 2 points. But... No good. CJ, 2 points. 2 points by Ricky. CJ for 3. Wow! 3 points by CJ. CJ, easy basket by CJ. Wow! 2 points by Ricky, 2 points. Pull up, 2 points.
Ay, hindi ko tira yun.
2 points by Ricky.
Meron na, Celto, okay lang ina mo. Uy, wow, ito ka.
Wow, 2 points by MJ. Shot clock off with 20 seconds. 2 points. Three points, 2 points. 2 points by Steve. 2 points by Ricky. 2 points by Russell. Wow, 3 points by Ricky. Wow, 3. Nice pass, 2 points by Emil. Two points by grabe naman yun, parang iba. Good. Still by Bihasa ang gagawin. Itataktak na guys, 2 points. 2 points by Emil. No good. CJ. Emil, 2 points by MJ. Still by Bihasa. 2 points is good by Bihasa. Ricky, easy basket. Brett, wala. 2 points.
Hoy, Rio, may kulang ka pa. Gano? 30. O hindi, bayad mo yung sampu doon. Sino yung bayad? Kailangan binayan.
Strong basket agad, no good. Robert, 2 points game. 3 points, rebound by Ran. Kupang Rob, mag-isa na naman. Easy basket. Iyon, sinimot pa. 5. Sorry. 2 points, by Crew. Power rule, 2 points. Gilaan ang bilis mo. 2 points by Damro. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Easy basket na yan. 10 to shoot. Put back by Ran, easy basket. Grabe naman yung 2 points by Jacob. No good.
Hindi, magagalas kasi yung winner.
2 points to Sonic. Ang bilis mo, pare. Rano. Sonic, pull up. 2 points is good by Sonic. Jerry, face. Gusto ng komplikado. 2 points by Serrano. Ayun na. 2 points. Control, napabayaan. Easy basket by Control. Patayin kayo. Tonic. 15 to shoot. 2 points by Sonic. Tatlo. Seconds. 2 points. 2 points by Masji. CJ. Easy basket by CJ. Easy basket by Russell. To MJ, pull up. Parang Manakero. Rebound by Masji. Easy basket by Masji. Lista mo na. 2 points. Easy basket by Esmero.
Mahal yung ba, Karils? Kasi
2 points. 2 points. Short. Cut. Back to Masji nila at easy basket by Masji. 2 points. Ano? Mr. MVP. Lista mo na. 2 pointer is good. 2 pointer is good.
kahit isa pa. Isa lang, break in lang. Magalo. Siyempre, ingat. Uwi na rin. Ingat.
2 points. Drop to Masji. Easy basket by Masji. Russell. Easy basket by Russell. Inaliwa. Easy basket. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Russell for 3. Contested 3. Back.
Uy.
2 points by Masji. Another 3. Bam. 3 points by Russell. Masji nalipis sa gitna. 2 points. 2 points. Jussi. Lumipad. 2 points. Mr. MVP. 2 points by Mr. MVP. Wow. 2 points by God. 3 minutes remaining. No good. Dads, dinababa ang bola. Uy, kupasa na yung tino. Basket pa rin yun. Uy, 20-26 na. Bang! 2 points.
Lakas ng kumpiyansa yun, no?
2 points. Triple attempt by Russell. Easy basket by Russell. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Yung 2 points, hindi talaga nagbimintes. 2 points. by 2 seconds. 2 points. 2 points. Oh, 2 points. Sia. Oh! Turnover. Grabe naman yung move na yun. Kaso may... Nothing but there. Guys, 3-0 pa rin. Ito na. Sa tingin ko, ito na yun. 2 points. Two points. Two by Ricky. 3 for the 10. Bang. Oy. 2 points. 45 seconds. Sia to Sinji. Tagang 2 points.
Malaro ka pa, Dad? Malaro pa kayo? Ha? Malaro pa kayo? Oo. Meron pa ba?
2 points. Really easy basket by Ricky. 2 points. 2 points. Ang ganda floater. 2 points. 2 points by Rob. Third. Grabe naman yun. Derek. Good ball. Pinasa. Jacob. Miss. Rebound ni Senra. Rebound Sia. Sia pinagabang cross. Totoo. Rebound ni Dolo. Pinatokay. Gilan. Totoo. By Senra. Rebound ni Dolo. Dolo pinatokay. Sonito ang ball. Back to back. 5.
Hold up, hold.
4 seconds. 4. 5. 2 points by Kevin. 4 minutes remaining.
Go, Crusader!
Bam! 3 points, right? 2 points by Rio. 2 points again by Aniel. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Kevin Short. 2-pointer is good. Back, no good. Rebound by Rio. Rio kinaliwa. 2 points by Rio.
Uy!
Bang! Foul guys, foul down. Two points. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Uy!
2 points by Kevin. Easy basket by Rio.
Uy!
Strong basket